Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to clean your paddle assembly and your bushing. That way you don't run into any issues down the road, okay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn our paddle assembly counterclockwise, all right, and lift up, and it's going to slide right out, okay? So first thing we want to do is we want to clean this part right here, which is the shaft, okay? So we're going to take our Scotch-Brite, and you just want to go up and down and loosen up all the grime and the sugar that builds up on there, all right, while you're cooking, all right? So after that, we're going to set this aside, all right, and we're going to go ahead and clean the inside of our bushing, okay? This bronze colored part right here is the bushing. It's very important that you clean the inside of this daily. It has a tendency to get dirty with use. If you don't clean this part daily, your motor can seize up and stop turning while in the middle of cooking a batch. So here's how to clean it. You're going to wrap up your Scotch-Brite scrubby, okay? And I'm going to put it down the hole. All right, you want to go up and down, all right, and just loosen up all the grime and the sugar that builds up on there while you're cooking as well, okay? So after that, take the Scotch-Brite out, take our paddle assembly, put it back down, and make sure it locks in place, okay? So if you guys follow those steps, you shouldn't have any issues down the road, okay?